8 steps to start a $1 million Instagram. Number 1, open a new Instagram business account because Instagram business account is more effective than compared to normal account. Number 2, provide good value of content because your value of content only attract your followers and clients to your Instagram account. Number 3, invest your time and energy for service, not for money, because service is highly valuable than money. Number 4, gradual growth. You need a gradual growth each and every day of your followers and clients. Number 5, promote highly profitable service because highly profitable service only make you a millionaire. Number 6, convert your followers into clients. Your followers only converted into your clients for your marketing products. Number 7, convert your Instagram account as a marketplace and market your products and service on it. Number 8, you can follow these 7 steps, you can become a millionaire.